हेलो बच्चों, we are studying now part 2b of the chapter line and plane, and in this part we will find out distance of a point from a given straight line. उसका एक एग्जाम्पल हम लोग करेंगे. In part 2b also we have done the example, and in part 2a we have taken the vector equation of the line, and now we will take Cartesian equation of a line. So before that we will slightly revise what we have learned earlier in vector chapter. Abhi suppose there is one vector L1 and it has got direction ratios A1, B1, C1. These are the direction ratios of vector L1. And this is L2, which is another vector which has got direction ratios A2, B2, C2. समझ गए बच्चों? Now if theta is the angle between these two vectors, if this is the angle between these two vectors, we get cos theta as A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 divided by square root A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square multiplied by square root. This is multiplication. So this is one bracket and this is another bracket. A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. This is how we get cos of an angle between these two vectors. Now see what happens. If L1 and L2 are at right angle, then what happens? Theta is equal to 90 degrees and cos theta is equal to 0. So this cos theta is 0 means this numerator becomes 0. So this is a very important result. If vectors are at right angle, vectors or lines having direction ratios A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2, if they are at right angle, what happens bachcho? A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2, this becomes 0. This is a very important result we are going to use in this example which is coming now. समझ गए बच्चों? Now, what is the example? Find the foot and the length of the perpendicular from point 2 minus 3, 1. What is the point they have given? 2 minus 3, 1. And which is the line drawn on the line x plus 1 upon 2 equal to y minus 3 upon 3 equal to z plus 1 upon minus 1. तो अभी क्या है देखो बच्चों, this is the point P given. This figure I have drawn for you. This is the point P given, which is 2 minus 3, 1. समझ गए बच्चों? And this is the line which they have given, x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to, this is a Cartesian equation of a line, y minus 3 upon 3 equal to z plus 1 upon minus 1. समझ गए? Now what happens? From here we have drawn a perpendicular on the line. From this line is in the space. This point is in the space. We are all talking about 3 dimensions. So when this perpendicular meets this line, this is point M. Which is this point, bachcho? This is point M. This M is the foot of the perpendicular. समझ गए? Now, let this is equal to lambda. So, any point x, now let us say, for point M, we can find out what is the x of point M. X plus 1 upon 2 is equal to lambda. X plus 1 upon 2 is equal to lambda. So, x becomes 2 lambda minus 1. समझ गए? ये 2 lambda इधर आ गया, plus 1 ये बाजू आएगा तो minus 1. Then, y minus 3 upon 3 is also equal to lambda. Lambda is some constant which is equal to all these 3 ratios. Y becomes 3 lambda plus 3 and z plus 1 upon minus 1 is equal to lambda. So z becomes minus lambda minus 1. तो हमें पॉइंट M के कोऑर्डिनेट्स मिल गए 2 lambda minus 1, 3 lambda plus 3 and minus lambda minus 1. In fact, these are the coordinates of any point on this line. So for every different value of lambda, there will be different point. So we will find lambda for point M. So we have to find lambda for M. This we have to find out. How we will find out? Now let us say, we have these coordinates of M and these are the coordinates of P. समझ गए? Now how we get the direction ratios of PM? 2 minus this, minus 3 minus this, 1 minus this. समझ गए बच्चों? चलो मैं अच्छी तरह से तुमको एक्सप्लेन करेगा. Now, point P. What is point P given? 2 minus 3, 1. 2 minus 3, 1. बराबर है? कुछ गलती तो नहीं है? देखिए 2 minus 3, 1. Now what is point M we have found out? 2 lambda minus 1. Point M is 2 lambda minus 1. This is x coordinate. What is y coordinate? 3 lambda plus 3. 3 lambda plus 3. And what is the z coordinate of M? Z coordinate of M is minus lambda minus 1. Minus lambda minus 1. Now, direction ratios of PM. ये कैसा मिलता है हमको बच्चों? This x coordinate of P minus x coordinate of M, y coordinate of P minus y coordinate of M, z coordinate of P minus z coordinate of M. तो हमें कैसा मिलेगा देखो? 2 minus into bracket 2 lambda minus 1, ये हो गया A1, minus 3 minus into bracket 3 lambda plus 3 ये हो गया B1 और तीसरा डायरेक्शन कोऑर्डिनेट क्या है 1 माइनस इंटू ब्रैकेट माइनस लैम्बडा माइनस 1, ये हो गया C1। तो हमें A1 B1 C1 these are the direction coordinates of direction ratios of PM। ये क्या मिल गया हमको 2 minus 2 lambda plus 1, so 3 minus 2 lambda minus 3 lambda minus 3, so minus 6 minus 3 lambda, ये हमारा A1 का वैल्यू है, ये B1 का है, एंड दिस इज 1 प्लस लैम्बडा माइनस 1, नो 1 प्लस लैम्बडा प्लस 1, सो 2 प्लस लैम्बडा। नाउ लेट अस सी बच्चों, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, डायरेक्शन कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ दिस लाइन which they have given are 2 3 minus 1। ये डायरेक्शन रेशियोज होते हैं, नॉट डायरेक्शन कोऑर्डिनेट, डायरेक्शन रेशियोज होते हैं। सो डायरेक्शन रेशियोज A2 B2 C2, these are direction ratios of L। ये कितने मिल गए हमें, डायरेक्टली दिए हैं उन्होंने 2 3 minus 1, 2 3 minus 1, this is nothing but A2 B2 C2। now because PM and this line L, because PM and this line L are right angle, then what happens, then it is A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0। तो A1 क्या है 3 minus 2 lambda, 3 minus 2 lambda, ये आप एक्सप्लेन करो बराबर, इंटू 2 प्लस B1 क्या है माइनस 6 माइनस 3 लैम्बडा माइनस 6 माइनस 3 लैम्बडा मल्टीप्लाइड बाय B2 कितना है बच्चों 3, प्लस C1 कितना है मिला मुझे 2 प्लस लैम्बडा मल्टीप्लाइड बाय माइनस 1, एंड दिस बिकम्स 0 बिकॉज दीज आर एट राइट एंगल। तो यहां क्या हो जाएगा बच्चों 6 माइनस 4 लैम्बडा माइनस 18 माइनस 9 लैम्बडा माइनस 2 माइनस लैम्बडा इक्वल टू 0। अभी लैम्बडा कितना है देखो -4 -9 -1 -14, एंड ये कांस्टेंट कितना है +6 -18 -2, so that is also -14। so -14 lambda -14 is equal to 0। समझ गए बच्चों, -14 lambda -14 is equal to 0, so I get lambda is equal to -1। समझ गए बच्चों, लैम्बडा हमें कितना मिल गया -1। How we got? See again, because this is PM, this is line PM, and this is line L whose equation is given to us. They both are at right angle, that's why this becomes 0। ये हमने पहली स्लाइड में देखा था। चलो तो लैम्बडा मिला। Now if I put lambda in the coordinate of M, ये M के कोऑर्डिनेट है। व्हाट इज M? M हमने क्या फाइंड आउट किया था, M के कोऑर्डिनेट देखो फिर से एक बार, 2 लैम्बडा -1 2 lambda minus 1, दिस इज x कोऑर्डिनेट. y कोऑर्डिनेट क्या था? 3 lambda plus 3, 3 lambda plus 3, और z कोऑर्डिनेट क्या था? minus lambda minus 1, minus lambda minus 1. So put lambda here, put lambda equal to minus 1 in coordinates of m. तो हमें m क्या मिल जाएगा? x कोऑर्डिनेट 2 into minus 1 minus 1. बराबर है बच्चों? Then 3 into minus 1 plus 3 and minus into minus 1 minus 1. ये ब्रैकेट मैंने इसके लिए डाला है कि देयर शुड नॉट बी एनी मिस्टेक. समझ गए बच्चों? तो हमें क्या मिल गया? हमें मिल गया m का कोऑर्डिनेट minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3, minus 3 plus 3 0, and plus 1 minus 1 0. बराबर है ये 2 lambda minus 1 हमारा बराबर था 2 lambda minus 1. बराबर है. These are the coordinates of m. coordinates of p क्या है हमारा? ऑलरेडी उन्होंने दिया था जो हमने यूज किया है 2 minus 3 1, 2 minus 3 1. तो हमें लेंथ pm कैसा मिल जाएगा बच्चों? स्क्वेयर रूट -3 -2 ब्रैकेट स्क्वेयर प्लस 0 minus -3 ब्रैकेट स्क्वेयर प्लस 0 minus 1 ब्रैकेट स्क्वेयर. तो ये क्या मिलेगा बच्चों हमको? -5 का स्क्वेयर 25 प्लस 3 का स्क्वेयर 9 एंड 1 का स्क्वेयर 1. तो ये हमारा मिल गया स्क्वेयर रूट 35. So this is our length of perpendicular and this is the foot of the perpendicular. समझ गए बच्चों? This is how the example is solved. Now in part 2C, we will try to develop a theorem for this. But my advice is you solve the example using this. Because theorem have complicated formula and there is likelihood of mistake. ये तो हम आपको समझ गया बराबर. चलो तो ये वीडियो फिर से एक बार देख के ये एग्जाम्पल आप इंडिपेंडेंटली सॉल्व करने की कोशिश कीजिए. ये अच्छा एग्जाम्पल है. ऐसा एग्जाम्पल 3 या 4 मार्क को आ सकता है. एंड वी हैव यू ऑल्सो सी पार्ट 2A वेयर वी हैव डन सिमिलर वे द फुट ऑफ द परपेंडिकुलर and the length of the perpendicular calculations for the given equation when it is in vector form. समझ गए बच्चों? थैंक यू.